Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Enable the developer console and back up your save now. Once done, open the console and type a simple status command to verify access. This proves the console responds and avoids surprises. You need to know syntax, command name followed by arguments, with quotes for phrases, because incorrect formatting causes errors. Make sure to disable autosave temporarily while testing, and keep a note of the exact command names so you can repeat them reliably. Now you execute core actions, spawn plants, adjust growth rates, and modify resources. You type specific commands like grow plant with an ID and size multiplier to force growth, because that manipulates state faster than waiting. Use add seed or set water to refill supplies. This fixes shortages immediately. Once you have one working command, chain related commands with semicolons to perform a sequence in one entry. Make sure to read console feedback after each chain so you can spot and fix errors. Finish by validating outcomes. Inspect a small plot to confirm plants grew and resources updated as intended, because visual confirmation prevents cascading problems. If something fails, check spelling, argument types, and whether you have permission to run that command. Use built-in help or a command list to verify exact usage. When corruption or unintended state occurs, revert to your backup and replay only verified commands. Make a concise log of successful commands so you can reproduce the exact steps without trial and error later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.